Share the excitement. Today, we're diving into an exciting new Lambus beta feature, trip sharing. Now you can effortlessly share your trips with friends, family, or the world. Let's explore how it works. To get started, open your trip. Next, navigate to the trip settings. You can do this by tapping on the gear icon located in the top right corner. Now, look for the Share Trip Beta option. It's the last item in the General section of the trip settings. Here's where the magic happens. You can choose how you want to share your trip with others. The first option lets you share a link to your trip. This is perfect for sharing your trip with specific individuals or posting it on social media. The second option allows you to embed your trip using an iframe. This is a great choice if you have a website or blog and want to showcase your adventure there. But wait, there's more. You can also get a sneak peek of what your shared trip will look like. Simply tap on Preview next to link to your trip. This opens a website with a journal of your entire trip. It's a fantastic way to see how your shared trip will appear to others. With Lambus Trip Sharing, you can relive your adventures and let others join in on your travel experiences. Thank you for watching this Lambus tutorial. Now you're ready to share your trips with the world, making memories and inspiring others along the way. Bon voyage!